Guys, this is kind of worked out pretty much like we expected. We talked about the widespread flooding that is unfolding. We talked about widespread power outages. There have been several thousands, tens of thousands of people still in Broward without power, and power outages increasing now in Miami-Dade. And we've had a little bit of a tornado threat. No reports of tornadoes, so that's good. And we've had some wind, and some pretty good wind at that. And what you can see here is a strong tropical storm. All the characteristics of a strong tropical storm there. And there's the center, kind of like an eye. It's we call it an eye-like feature. It looks like an eye, but you don't see it on the satellite there. That is made landfall near Lower Matecumbe Key there. Now let's break it down. We're going to start from north to south and work our way through here and talk about what we're going to be expecting as we go through the night and what we've seen as we've gone through the night. And you can see Broward County here now. Finally, a break. Broward has been hammered throughout the evening with this big feeder band that's set up and just kept pounding Broward, all of Broward, north to south and all the way to the Everglades, with relentless rainfall and very, very strong winds. Several wind gust reports of near 70 miles an hour, and some places reporting over 10 inches of rain. So a flash flood warning. This is the kind that was elevated alert. It's set up just about everybody's phone in Broward. It was an EAS, Emergency Activation System alert there to get everybody's attention. So that was a serious flood warning. It's now been extended to 5 a.m. because there's more rain coming into Broward, looking offshore. There's one band that's out here, but that looks like that's going to stay up to the north. In Palm Beach County, you can see it pretty heavy there coming on shore. Nothing immediately offshore, except it's what's coming up from the south now. Look at this band now that's radiating away. This is coming out of the center of Ada there, pushing through the Gables, as well as now Little Haiti back through Doral here at CBS 4. Now mainly north of the Dolphin there and continuing to move to the north. So it's headed into Broward. It's headed into an area that has already received and continues to see a lot of flooding. So the flood situation is going to get worse there. Let's go on to the south now, because here's another band that's set up. This one is not moving as quickly to the north. It may tend to want to radiate out as we go through the night tonight. There you can see Homestead just on the northern edge of the rain there, but Key Largo through Ocean Reef getting some very heavy rain, especially along the Card Sound Bridge there. There's a flash flood warning in effect for this area here, Cutler Bay, Homestead, and Palmetto Bay, including Florida City, and that's in effect until 2 a.m. and more flooding is possible if this band works its way up into that area. Now into the Keys, and you can see the center here. Right there, passed right over a Lower Matecumbe Key there, and that happened around 11 p.m. tonight. And this band out here has some very strong winds with it, very heavy rainfall, and it is gradually working its way to the west. So it's going to bring storm surge with it, 2 to 4 feet of storm surge, because it's pushing, the wind is pushing the Atlantic onto the island chain there, and this whole feature here is going to just rotate westward and then bring these strong squalls with it as it goes. Let's zoom out here and go about 6 hours back to kind of capture the whole thing here, and you can see the center there coming up. It made that turn. It was moving to the northeast about 24 hours ago, now moving to the west northwest, and you can see it moving there, and there are those big bands that have been coming through Broward. In terms of rainfall, the airports that we've gotten reports from: nearly 6 inches Fort Lauderdale, over almost 5 inches Pembroke Pines, over 4 inches coming in from Pompano, and 3 3/4 coming in from Oakland Park, Miami-Dade. Some of these reports are missing, but the rainfall amounts are coming in. And many of the airports as well reporting 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gust, with some sustained winds in the 30 to 40 mile an hour and a little bit higher range. There is the latest advisory. This was an update with the landfall position there, 30 miles east-northeast of Marathon. The pressure down there, about 990 is Category 1, so we're just above that, and the winds about 10 miles an hour below Category 1, moving west-northwest of 14. We like this motion here because that's going to keep it going, so it's going to get on out here before it gets a chance to strengthen very much. Warnings there are. We'll take a detailed look at that in just a second. There is the future track. There's the threat cone, all of South Florida in the tropical storm conditions. That is Monday. That's tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and then 7 p.m. And then watch this. You want to talk about something crazy. So 2020. It goes down here, forecast to strengthen, and then it kind of ricochets up to the north here and threatens the west coast of Florida all the way up. So folks in Tampa are watching it as we are down here. They're seeing what we're going through and thinking, are we going to have to go through that later in the week? It's a possibility. Here, a Hurricane Hunter plane. It's a NOAA plane that flew out tonight of Lakeland. cutting through the storm there, dissecting it, finding the strongest winds on the east side, winds around 66 miles an hour, consistent with the advisory wind speed. And there you can see what we call fixes, the center positions of the storm as it's been moving to the west. Here's the satellite loop, and doesn't look like an impressive tropical storm from the satellite point of view. Dry air had worked into the system. It's now starting to get a new round of thunderstorms going there, so it's trying to slowly strengthen. So hurricane warning remains in effect through the night tonight for the Keys. Hurricane watch continues in effect for Miami-Dade. Tropical storm warning for Broward and Miami-Dade for the tropical storm conditions. The watch in effect for just the possibility we could get some hurricane force winds. Here we are, the 7 a.m. time frame there tomorrow morning. Winds turn more southerly. There's the storm center moving away and starting to take on hurricane force winds. Watch as we go forward into time here during the day. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., about noon. There go the tropical storm conditions finally pulling away. The unfortunate problem is that there's still going to be some bands of heavy rain rotating through, so we're going to see some ongoing off and on flooding through the day tomorrow. I'll be back with a look at what the rest of the week looks like and what else is out there coming up in a bit.